Hello everyone, just a second, so we are live, the chat is open, the Twitter is open. Okay, so Merry Christmas to those who celebrate. Yeah, if you don't celebrate Christmas, then I just wish everyone to have a nice upcoming weekend. And let's check what's going on with the market. So basically nothing much changed. Let me check the chat. Okay. If you will not hear me well, or if any issues, just write it down, and so I know. Okay, so I will start with Bitcoin. I'm not sure if today's stream will be 1 hour long, because everyone is enjoying the holiday, everyone is enjoying their time with the family, and honestly speaking, there's not much going on with the crypto market. Still nothing. So when was my last stream? It was on Monday, right? Monday. So Bitcoin pumped. I was talking about the buy level, that I'm gonna put a limit order around 88,604, and even if Bitcoin will go lower, I'm still interested in buying and longing. Yeah, so what do we have right now? We see that since Monday, so here's this Monday's week, price dropped how much? Almost 5%, and found support on this bullish order block on daily time frame, and bounced from 0.618 Fibonacci. I would say that this level right now is a key level, 86,744. Yeah, as long as the price is holding this area, it is positive and it should continue going higher. Yeah, it should continue going higher. I still wait for this area to be taken for $102,000 zone. It also aligns with the 200 EMA, dailies, 3D FVGs, and so on. Yeah, the price been in consolidations for too long. The good thing is that the price is holding this zone, even though it's very choppy. Yeah, it's holding this zone. So even if it will lose, let's go back to daily time frame. Even if today, tomorrow it will lose 86,744, I am interested still in longs. I will DCA. I will put limit order around 85,918. It's 0.75 Fibonacci level, and in case it will take this low again, yeah, around 81,821, I'm still interested to long, and I will put a limit order around there. So I decided this time to take to try out a new exchange. Well, it's not super new. It's called Pacifica exchange, and I put limit order there as well. Okay, so so I will be taking longs in two more orders. Like first one already filled around 88,604. Second one will be around 85,918, and the third one will be around 81,814. Yeah, I will be looking for longs over there, but otherwise I believe that I think that the market, the Bitcoin will not give this target. I think after some chop, it will finally give us this bullish move. The reason why I'm still bullish, I already talked about them last time. It has a bullish divergence, and it's holding above 200 EMA on a weekly time frame. The same with Ethereum. And USD dominance is losing its momentum, is struggling to give a breakout above this resistance zone. And yesterday I put this Fibonacci levels. Yeah, I put this Fibonacci levels, and it already rejected from 0.618 Fibonacci. So I think that today it should start dropping. Yeah, once it will stop dropping significantly, we should see a nice pump in the crypto market. Yeah, and then US market been very bullish. Yeah, I think that before the end of the year we will see SP 500 making another new all-time high. It already did a new all-time high by reaching 6,939. I think it will go even higher and will take these levels around 7,100 area, yeah, from where we might see some correction. Yeah, otherwise I'm bullish on SP 500. Same with NQ. This is not relevant anymore. Yeah, I think NQ can easily give a nice run towards the 27,428. Yeah, and this should trigger crypto market to be bullish as well. And then, as I said before, we should have monthly close, yearly close, and yeah, I think there will be enough of volatility. Yes, the US market is not working today, it's holiday. Then what else? Yeah, so coins I'm watching, it's a Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash yesterday dropped till 0.618 Fibonacci or 567 level, could hold about this 2026 EMAs. If today Bitcoin Cash will give us a nice daily close above 0.618 or 607, $615, then expect upcoming days the bullish trend continuation towards to 660, like towards the previous all-time high, and I would not be surprised to see a new all-time high on this. Oh, sorry, no. So yeah, towards this previous high of the March 2024, and only if we will see a breakout about 713, then we can expect much higher towards to, I don't know, $1,000 per coin. Yeah, so short term I'm very bullish. I expect to see it at least till this high or till 2.41 Fibonacci, which is around 721 area. So if you are looking for longs, then it's interesting to long from this 1 hour FVG zone. Yeah, I expect to see this kind of retest of 579 level. We can put wider stop loss just in case, and take profit can be the 0.75 Fibonacci or 616.15 and higher. Yeah, then 660 and 720 can be the next target. I expect to see something like this. Yeah, let me check the chat. Okay. Then this coin I'm watching closely. So yesterday, just a second, let me go to weekly. So on a weekly time frame, yeah, we see this correction, but price came to 100 EMA support. Yeah, to 100 EMA support, and also according to the Fibs, price reached 0.86, 0.75 Fibonacci levels, or this bullish OB on a daily time frame. Yeah, as long as I forgot how mantle coin, yeah. As long as mantle coin is above the zone, it's interesting to look for longs. My opinion is that once the coin will give a breakout above 0.75 Fibonacci, let me show it clearly for you, yeah, or 1.048, I expect to see a nice move up, something like this. So short term, we could see the coin till 1.14 level, which aligns with 0.5 Fib and 200 EMA on 4-hour time frame, and this bearish order block here. But if on daily time frame we will see a positive bounce, yeah, I would expect a reclaim above this 200 EMA, because in this case the price will come for the second time. Like first time it couldn't reclaim and hold, but for the second time I would expect a reclaim and the move much higher towards $2, I think, easily. Yeah, so this trade can be taken as a swing long, but only once we see that the price is breaking above one point, like either it's 1.17 or 200 EMA on 4-hour time frame. In this case, we might see a nice run of almost 90% on this coin. Yeah, but only if it will give a breakout above the 0.5 Fibonacci. And it needs to flip about the 0.75 Fib. And so only if it will flip, we can take a long. This is what I expect to see. Then XPL, good entry was already missed. Yeah, I put Fibs recently and it bounced from 0.75. In case you're long, I think this coin has a good potential. I'm not telling you that it will give a new all-time high or fully will retrace this move, I don't know. But if we go to like a 4-hour time frame, yeah, I would expect something like this, flipping this 100 EMA and reaching this 200 EMA on 4-hour time frame, so approximately till 0.17 level. Yeah, it has also in this case it will also reach this previous high, this resistance zone, and only if it will manage to break above this level then we can expect a higher. Yeah, how high it can go is really hard to say, because there are a lot of blocks, resistance zones for XPL been downtrending for a very long time. Yeah, every of these levels can stand as a very strong resistance for the XPL. But what I'm sure about right now is that this coin definitely bottomed for some time, but I would be still very careful around 0.17, 0.18. Yeah, if looking for long, then I think good long opportunity was missed. In case price will start consolidating here now about this 1 hour 200 EMA or 1 hour FVG, then you can try to take a long, in my opinion. I would wait for some confirmation. Yeah, either it will be a correction, a slight correction, something like this. Yeah, 17. I think 17 is a good target for now. If it will retest, then you can try. You can even put stop loss lower just in case. Yeah, we don't know what kind of manipulations it will do. Bitcoin right now is going down right now, short term. Ethereum, in case Ethereum will give a test of 2889 or 2849, these levels are good to long, in my opinion. You can put limit orders to long with stop loss just below this low, 2760. Yeah, or maybe lower, depends on your strategy. Yeah, what I would do, just take long partially and DCA, and just keep the position as a swing long position. Yeah, that's what I would do. Let me check the chat. Nothing. Yeah, so if you want me to check any coin or anything, just let me know. So let me go through the stock market just quick. So since last stream on Monday, yeah, I was talking about some stocks. I said that I'm pretty bullish. So Nvidia opened with the pump. It was holding about this 50-100 EMAs. Yeah, and 1 hour, 4 hour FVG. In case you took long, then you should be in a good profit. Let me check. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good, and I think it will continue pumping. Netflix, I said only if it will flip above 95.69. It's interesting to long as well, but so far it didn't flip, but it is holding this low around $92. Yeah, it's holding this low. It's pretty good sign. Yeah, maybe we can do this. So once we see the price flipping on 1 hour above 50 EMA, it can be interesting to long, but it should flip. And hold this level. Yeah, in this case, it can nicely bounce. So no change so far regarding Netflix. Amazon also opened bullish. Yeah, it looks bullish even on weekly so far. I would say when the market will open, if it will give a correction, just retest of this 2026 EMAs or a nearest FVG, it can be interesting to long. Let's say if it will test this. Yeah, with the targets of 240 and higher. It can go higher to retest this highs. AMD, interesting. Google. Tesla from last stream. So it corrected but didn't really touch 470 level that I was waiting for. It could still test. In case Tesla will retest this, we can see here it has a gap around 460, 466. In case it will retest this daily FVG gap, 2026 EMAs, it can be a good opportunity to swing long, in my opinion, because Tesla, let me delete this. Tesla looks pretty good on high time frame. Yeah, if there will be any corrections, for me it's interesting to work with longs. Like 6 monthly looks like it wants to give a breakout. Let me put this fips. Let's see where the price can go. Look, another thing is that 6 monthly bounced from 0.618 and already did a breakout about 0.86, and right now it's leading towards to 1.41 Fibonacci. Yeah, 1.41, 1.61, which aligns with 549, 614 levels. Yeah, from current price it can give like another 26% of the move. Yeah, so if there will be any correction, it's interesting to long, and if in case it will break above this area, then next target is this one, 850, around 850 or 66. Yeah, it aligns with 2.41 Fibonacci. But this more high time frame, you can either you will swing long, or you can buy here and sell just higher. So Apple looks interesting here, but still it has resistance around 282 level. So yeah, otherwise there's nothing much to say. Yeah, let me check when the market should open. Today is 25, so tomorrow I think tomorrow market should be open, right? Yeah, the market will be open tomorrow. I don't think that we will have a lot of volatility first half of the day, but I think closer to the daily close we will see a nice move in the market. Yeah, so that's all for today, I guess. There's really nothing much to say. Enjoy your day, and I will write all the updates later in a Discord and on Twitter. All right, so if there are no questions, then I will see you on Monday. Yeah, I will see you on Monday, and yeah, enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend, and I will see you around. I think there are no questions. Thank you so much, everyone, whoever was here, and yeah, I will see you on Monday as a stream, and I will see you around with all these updates. I will share everything in upcoming hours.